Let's see if you can keep up with this, okay? I'm going to do, for those of you that press row book, I'm going to do 2 quarter notes and a half note. How's that going to sound? Do you know?
No.
So anybody know 2 quarter notes and a half? Okay, this is your rhythm. It's going to be. Did. You ready? Let me do it one time and then you do it. Just playing the bells needs to stop. Keelan, if you play when others are not, there's no excuses. It's really sad that they're videotaping and saying that. Alright, with my iPad, if you keep punching numbers in for the password, it makes it erase the whole iPad, so don't do that for me. Okay? The password on our school iPad is 54. Alright, you ready? Just that one note. Okay, now I'm going to give you a little bit harder. Let's swap instruments. Okay. Okay. All right. At this table, you all play guitar, so you're cool. All right. No. At this table, y'all don't put that on there.
Yeah, we're going to try to erase that.
Alright, time. Alright, you ready to try it as a group? Alright, this is a little, now you still need to either watch Miss Gartman or myself, okay? Keep an eye on Miss Gartman or me. Remember, you're not playing notes, you're just playing one thing. You don't have to look at it. Okay?
Christian, I was you.
Okay, you ready? Okay. You're trying to do, I see many of you. Switching? Alright, here we go. No. One more time and then we're going to switch. Now let's see if you can do it looking at Miss Gartman. Stop playing. Thank you. You know, it's sad because they're videotaping us and they're hearing all of your mistakes and what you're doing wrong. That makes me sad. Okay, here we go.
It's for Tiger TV.
And that's what they're going to see. Now, I'm going to give you the rhythm again. Remember, if you look at us, look at me. You never looked at the instrument.
I was going to the other
Same rhythm as me. Ready? Let's try it again. Okay? ready to start. It doesn't matter which one. All right, I might slow down or I might speed up. You got to stay with me. Why don't you swap hands with the person next to you so they can have a chance that hasn't had a chance yet? Okay. All right, Rakaya, give that to Peyton. She hasn't had a chance yet. Thank you. You ready? Now here's the rhythm. Ready? Let's go.